Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I just have a little mini haul from Simon Says Stamp. Forgot for a moment. My sweet friend Barb sent me a gift card recently, just because she's sweet like that, for Simon. So this is what I got with that. So I'm just going to pull this out. Just a moment here off screen as to not ruin any surprises. Okay. First of all, to give you a little coupon thing, a little card. Okay, this one looks like it got a little bit bent. Okay, this is one of the first things I got. Very excited about this. It's a Simon Says Stamp exclusive. When I shop from there, I like to get their exclusive items, obviously, because you can't get them anywhere else. It says, I think the world of you. Just going to open this up a minute and show you, because it does have a shadow layer and a word layer. So I'll take my little mini snips here, these little jobbers, and cut these apart. So you'll get the shadow layer as well as the word layer, and it says, I think the world of you. So I wanted to show you next to an A2 size card. You can see it kind of covers the whole front. You could do it vertically or horizontally, and it would make a nice focal point. I love big sentiments like this. It does have the separate tittle, which is not my favorite, but it's okay because I thought it was unique enough that I wanted to add this to my crafty stash. So I think the world of you, Simon Says Stamp die. And then I did get another one. Same thing, Simon. I didn't realize theirs were made in the U.S. That's cool. 100% steel. Let's see. Just going to open this one up, and I will also show you. You're in my thoughts. So this one has the little apostrophe, but that is connected. So that makes me happy. And in this one, the tittle is connected. So these are the things that I look for, because I know if it's too fiddly, like if it's too thin and there's going to be a bunch of glue oozage, or if it has a bunch of like little separate pieces, parts, I know I'm not going to grab for it as much. That's just me, because I'm lazy like that. So I look for things like this that are nice, kind of focal point size, because I just like to make a lot of cool like stenciled backgrounds or, you know, fun backgrounds, and then just kind of have the sentiment oftentimes be the focal point. That's kind of my design style. So you're in my thoughts. You can see here, do it the right way. Again, it's nice and posing vertically, or if you turn it landscape, then it'll be a nice focal point for that as well. So you're in my thoughts. And then finally, the last thing I got, let's show you here. I've been wanting this for a while. Simon Says Stamp, Simon Hurley Create. This is spring chicken. So this is not new. It's been out for a while, but I just love the look of these chickens. I think they're really graphic and fun, and I love these little funny puns. So you're one cool chick, you're still a spring chicken, cock-a-doodle-doo, so glad you're one of my peeps, thanks for being so extraordinary. So there's all these cute little chicks and these eggs. So this will be fun to stamp and color, and this is a really big stamp set. I do believe there's coordinating dies. I didn't order those because I don't mind fussy cutting, and I feel like, I don't know, these might be a little challenging to cut out, but I'm up for the challenge, y'all. I don't mind it. I don't mind fussy cutting. So here is my Simon haul. Again, a couple of Simon exclusives, and then a Simon Hurley. No relation, right? Anyway, that's my haul. Thank you so much, Barb, for my gift card to Simon. I had fun shopping. I will link these items below in the video description box if you want to check them out. Otherwise, watch for future vids where I feature these awesome new goodies from my crafty stash. If you haven't already, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. I do post videos 4 times a week, usually on Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, unless there's a new release, then I might tweak it. But it's usually 4 days a week. And if you want to be notified anytime that I release a new video, be sure to hit that notification bell. And then YouTube should let you know when there's new content. So thank you so much for spending time with me. I will catch you next time. Bye.